sisters lifting hands in prayer. Through the trials and the tears that we face each day, love will always find the righteous way. Ride the river of freedom, let the current guide through the valleys of struggle and the rising tide. Let the rhythm of truth be our faithful guide, till the chains of the world are cast aside. From the farmer in the field to the city street, every step we take make the rhythm complete. Hear the voices rising like the morning sun, singing freedom songs till the day is done. Old man whisper wisdom by the fireside glow, plant the seed of justice and the world will grow. Through the dust of the journey and the winds that blow, faith is the river where our courage flows. Hold the light, don't let it fade away, even in the darkest night before the day, when the people stand united side by side. No mountain in this world we cannot climb. Hear the children laughing by the ocean shore, dreaming of a world that will hurt no more. With the rhythm of hope and the truth so clear, a brighter generation drawing near. Ride the river of freedom, strong and wide. Let the power of love be our guide. From the mountains high to the endless sea, one song of hope for humanity. Morning sunrise over the valley so wide, hear the children sing with hope in their eyes. From the hills to the streets where the people stand strong, every heart beat together like a freedom song. Wind carry whispers from the old mango tree, stories of the fighters who believed we'd be free. Through the struggle and the pain, through the storm and the rain, we keep walking forward though the road feel the strain. Ride the river of freedom, let your spirit flow. Through the fire and the darkness, we will always grow. Lift your voice to the sky, let the whole world know, love and justice forever is the seed we sow. Hear the drums in the distance calling out the truth, guiding every elder, land and sparing new youth. No chains can hold the power of a righteous soul, when the rhythm of the people start to take control. Let the trumpet cry out like a lion so proud, let the voices of the people sing fearless and loud. Through the rhythm of hope and the harmony sweet, freedom march to the sound of a reggae beat. Ride the river of freedom, let your spirit flow. Through the fire and the darkness, we will always grow. Lift your voice to the sky, let the whole world know love and justice forever is the seed we sow. Step that we take bring a change to the life. When the music start playing and the truth start to rise, you can see liberation shining deep in our eyes. Let the trumpet cry out like a lion so proud. Let the voices of the people sing fearless and loud. Through the rhythm of hope and the harmonies sweet, freedom march to the sound.